Hey guys, welcome back to my summer. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, but this is gonna be my summer tour, House Over 2021. Subscribe if you're new. Okay, so decorations are from Dollar Tree because they have the best decorations for the best price. This one says Sweet Summer Fruit Stand Juice Bar. I have posted a lot of decorations. Of course, American flag, because I'm a proud American, of course. I have this cute wreath. That was really cute. That was me slapping the edge of the railing of the stairs, in case you're wondering what the noise is. But yeah, 4th of July wreath, very cute. And here I just have my cute little garland that has it's blue, then there's a red, white, and blue, then a stars. Yeah, cute, right? Yeah, I get into these holidays. You guys know that already. Okay, now for the main thing, which is the game room. I have more 4th of July stuff. America, bold stripes, bright stars, brave hearts. One more 4th of July one. Statue of Liberty with the American flag and the fireworks. This one says salt in the hair, sand in my, salt in the, salt in the air, sand in my hair, duh. Yeah, one more time. Salt in the air, sand in my hair. And then this one says salty air, seaside, and surface sand. Very cute. These little stars are adorable. Super duper cute. Oh, my favorite, you guys. A 4th of July unicorn. How freaking cute. Oh, with a streamer as a tail. Oh my god, super cute. So I had to get that. And then last but not least, cute little beach one. It says take me to paradise with the flamingos on it. Super duper cute. Okay, well that's it for the tour. For the tour, yeah. Okay, it sounded like I said something else, but I didn't say that. Okay, I said tour. Anyway, thanks for watching my tour really quickly. Just a quick thing. I just put a few things up. I don't really go too crazy for the summer stuff. Now for the fall, Halloween, Christmas, you know, go cam. So yeah, that's what I did. Very, very cute, right? If you enjoyed, thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you very soon. Till next time. Bye guys, subscribe. Mwah. Kisses, bye.